Hey everyone, welcome to Jotform. My name is Kimberly, and today I'm going to walk you through some different scenarios and different ways that you can add downloadable files to your forms. Maybe you have some policies and procedures that you want someone to download and read through before they submit the form. Or maybe you want to send them a copy of it after they're done submitting the form. Or maybe you are a creator and you want to sell some things and you don't want to pay the cost of like Etsy or Shopify. You can actually use Jotform to send someone digital files once they're done filling this out. So let me show you how to do all of those right now. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to the top left up to create a form, and we can either start from scratch, use a template, or import a form. For this one, we're gonna start from scratch. So I'll go ahead and click that. And then we have two choices. We can either use a classic form or the card form. Classic is all the questions in one space, one scrolling space, and then the card form is one question per card or per screen. So for this, I'm gonna use the classic form. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and just start dragging in some different pieces. Name, email, phone number. Those are the most typical ones. Now let's say that I want someone to read through some terms and conditions or some policies and procedures before they click that submit button. How to do this here is we can go ahead and add in a paragraph right here. And we're going to click to edit text. And I'm just going to put, hey, make sure you read this before you click the submit button. All right, the key to this is to make sure that you already have the PDF or the file or whatever it is saved somewhere externally. One of my favorites is Google Drive, but if you have your own website and you have it stored there, you just want to make sure that it's stored somewhere and you can grab a link to that specific item. So for me, again, I went ahead and used one of the files that I had in my Google Drive. So with the paragraph that says Teams, let's change it to Terms. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight terms and conditions, and then up here where the little link, it says insert or edit link, I'm gonna go ahead and click on that, paste in the link that I grabbed from Google Form, and then we can go ahead and hit OK, so we can see now it is hyperlinked, so it is clickable, and we can choose the save, and then we can come up here and preview. So here is what it looks like, and they can come down here, you can see it's now a little hand that they can click. So that is one way. Another way that we can do this is up in settings with the thank you page. I feel like I say this all the time. This is one of my favorite features of Jotform. So thank you page, you can have a thank you page, right? The submission, and you can actually even include it here. So, terms and conditions. And you can highlight that and we can hyperlink it, paste it there. Okay, so that means after they're done, they've hit submit, they have another copy as that page. Or we can choose the redirect to an external. We can paste it there. So now there's three ways. So let me show you a fourth way. Over here on the left-hand side, we have emails. So they're automatically going to get an email that they have completed their submission if they submitted an email. So for here, for the autoresponder email, we can come up here and choose the little green pen. And then in the body of the email right down here, we can come down here and we can edit, right? So here is a copy of our terms and conditions that you read through before you hit submit. So again, we'll hit the link button, paste it, terms and conditions is good to go. And that is it. 4 ways to include a downloadable document to your form. So if you guys have any questions or if you have other suggestions on how to share your PDFs or files in a Jotform, be sure to share it down below in the comments, and I will see you all later.